Knowing how to make herb oils is a must if you plan to cook at a high level. Many fine dining restaurants use herb oils as a garnish on a variety of savory dishes. However, for more rustic uses, they're perfect when drizzled over risottos, polenta, grains, salads, or even eggs. You can use any herb you wish, or a combination such as parsley and mint, or basil and arugula. Aside from flavor, herb oils also add a beautiful color to your dishes, which is one of the reasons why they're used in fine dining so often, where presentation is just as important as taste. When making herb oils, ideally you'll want to use a ratio of 4:1, meaning 1/4 of a cup of oil for every 1 cup of herbs. Today, we'll be making a simple parsley and mint oil, so let's begin. Now in a saucepot of simmering water, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Once it comes to a rolling boil, add 1 cup of parsley and 1 cup of mint. Simmer for 15 seconds and remove. Immediately place into a strainer over top a bowl of ice water and let it sit for 1 minute. Remove and pat dry between 2 pieces of paper towel. Now take your time here, as we want to avoid having any water within our oil. We'll then add our herbs to a blender along with half a cup of neutral oil. Blitz on medium, and this will take roughly 3 to 5 minutes until the oil and plant particles from the herbs have become emulsified into one. I'll now add to a strainer lined with a coffee filter over top a mixing bowl. You can also use a paper towel instead of a coffee filter. We'll let this sit overnight undisturbed. The next day, we're left with what is essentially a herb puree, and underneath is our herb oil. Beautiful dark green infused with the parsley and mint. I'll add this to a container of my choice, and this will keep in the fridge for roughly 1 week. So that's how you make herb oils. It might have seemed intimidating, but now that you've seen the process, it's actually extremely simple. In the next lesson, we'll be making an aioli, which is essentially a mayonnaise made with olive oil. I'll see you there.